Hi everyone, I'm Annie here. I'm back to show you my another project, and this is one of the kit for my Facebook group. It's a butterfly fabric journal shabby vintage kit. Just show you. I just finished, and I use the binding. I use this ring, book ring, and I add the tassel here. And the first page is all these images I edit. Use this shabby chic frame that I found it from Pinterest. So and this is one of the very big applique, butterfly applique. Underneath I layer with the fabric, and with the frame I use this beautiful trim, beaded trim, group around, and the flower, another flower, underneath with another big page of the butterfly that I print out the template, and I layer with the fabric and the trim around like so. So this is the first page. Okay, the second page here. Okay, let me just show you the second page here. Everything you grow, then I start to grow, and I print one small size of the applique. It's the same pattern with this, but I print it up in the small size. So layer with this fabric, and just use the applique underneath and glue with the flower. And I use the I Am Roses flower, and I use this to make a movement dangling here. And this page I forgot to show you this beautiful beaded tutu. So you can see, it's beautiful. Like so, this is the first page, and the second page like this. Okay, second page. So with the butterfly that I use this ruffle, I tea dye all some of the trim and laces with coffee dye and tea dye. And see page here, I have this big bow trim here, and this is another applique, butterfly applique at the flower with this very pale gold beaded trim, and not beaded, it's the gold braided, and this one is bead trim, organza bead trim as the flower here, and the applique like so, and the dangling, and the layer 3 of the trim like so. Okay, and another page, this page here I saw. This is the I Am Roses flower. I add this beautiful piece here, and this is the butterfly that actually is together with this. It's two layered, but I remove and I use this here, and the underneath part I use here like so. And underneath also with the appliques that I tea dye, I use this trim to around the image here. Simple but pretty. Okay, another page here. This with the doily, I will glue this. I found this was from the Pinterest also. Wherever life plants you, bloom with grace. Underneath also with the appliques, and this one actually is one piece, but I just cut it out and use it like so. Here with the flower, another beautiful pale butterfly here with the very pale golden gold thread braid trim, like so, and this single lace. Okay, and another page. This one layer with another butterfly here, and this one is the flower applique that I cut it out. Use some here, and add the flower here, and do that here, and this beautiful beaded trim, beautiful. Yeah, just simple, but yeah, I'm quite happy with this book. And this page, trim on little trimmer, and you can see I layer with this is one of the flower appliques, and the tangle trim here, and use the same just out of the first page, the trim to go around the image and the flower here, and use this beautiful trim and go around and the applique, so. And this applique is actually this is one piece I just cut and just screw here and attach here, like so. It turned out pretty. And this piece here, and layer with the ruffle trim and the beaded trim here, layer with this applique here and flower. Underneath this one I glue with the lace fabric, so already tea dye, and another butterfly here, and underneath this one. Okay, and this page here, this, and here I actually I want to put some more the small flower around here. I forget to glue it here, but anyway later we'll do that. So just like so, layer with the applique here, flower, and this one is the bridal lace that I cut 2 pieces here, like so, and also with the ruffle lace around. And yeah, that's it. This is the last page. This is the back, and all together is 5 pages, like so. Yeah, this is my latest project, and I really hope you all like this, and please feel free to leave me a comment and let me know what you all think. And yeah, if you like this, and just give me a big thumbs up, and thanks again for everyone for your support, and I truly appreciate each one, and bye bye.